Yeah, look, we never wanted to lose Felix. Felix went back home for, his family is in Ireland, and it's close to home, England. Things didn't work out for whatever reasons there. So no, it was definitely not a plan. You won't send your family back and go and relocate and sign a contract and then hope it doesn't work out. So I think that speculations must maybe stop, because yes, it's almost when I went to Ireland. You don't relocate your whole family and then know you're going to be back in 18 months. We are very happy to have him back. We as a coaching team, there's not a lot of egos in our coaching team when it comes to sharing responsibility. Each coach is responsible for his area, but we dovetail and integrate when helping each other. It's probably just Don. Imane does his own thing, because we don't really always know what he's doing. But Felix is here already. He would have loved to be in here, but him and Jerry is already, I think, today in Durban with the Sharks. He's just right onto it. I think he's moving his family also here for the whole period until the end of his contract. So, yeah, we never want to lose him. So, but it wasn't planned that he go on that side and just get info. But it is helpful, definitely helpful.